Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn power sharing together step by step. Welcome, I am Vidya. In this chapter, we study power sharing, why dividing power among groups is good for democracy, learning from the cases of Belgium and Sri Lanka. Belgium carefully shared power among its language communities and stayed united. Sri Lanka favored the majority Sinhala community, ignoring the Tamils, which led to bitter conflict. The contrast shows why sharing matters. There are two reasons to share power. The prudential reason is that it reduces conflict and brings stability. The moral reason is that power sharing is the very spirit of democracy itself. Power can be shared in several ways: horizontally among the legislature, executive and judiciary, vertically among central, state, and local governments, and among different social groups and communities. Power is also shared among political parties, pressure groups, and movements that influence those in office. When several parties form a coalition, they too share power among themselves. To recap, power sharing keeps a society united and is the heart of democracy. It has prudential and moral reasons and takes many forms across organs, levels, groups, and parties. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.